Okay, so you're looking to create a human in Infinite Craft. So let's get straight to the point. First, drag in fire and then put wind on top of it. This creates smoke. Now take water and put it below. Then drag fire on top of it. This creates steam. Get earth, place it on top of steam to create mud. Now drag wind and place earth on top of it. This will create dust. For the next step, put earth on top of dust to create a planet. Now drag smoke and put it here. Add water to smoke and now you have fog. For the next step, drag fog and place it on top of planet to create Venus. Add some mud to Venus and this should give you Adam. Now add Venus to Adam and now we should have Eve. Lastly, add Adam to Eve and finally we have a human. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe and consider donating using the thanks button below the video. Thank you for watching.